Hi there. I'm Mary Ellen and this is my YouTube channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow. Here you can find over 1,000 DIY crafts, recipes, garden tips, family-friendly fun and travel, and cat shorts of my cats Cotton, Lucifer and Typo. Around here we ditch perfection and embrace the mess, because in life's messes we learn and grow. Most of my videos come with a side of spills, burnt fingers from the glue gun, and an occasional cat walking through the shot. Together we're always celebrating something, whether it's a holiday or just the fact that I got through a craft without glitter in my coffee. From festive DIY decor to seasonal treats, there's always a reason to break out the hot glue gun and have a little fun. And if you've got an instant pot or air fryer gathering dust, I'll help you to enjoy using them. I bring all of this to you with a light-hearted learn-as-you-go approach. So if you're into creative chaos, cozy vibes, and learning right alongside me, hit that subscribe button and let's make some messy memories together. If you've got a plunger, some ribbon, and a little Halloween spirit, you've got everything you need to make this seriously fun decorative witch's broom. This project is equal parts spooky and stylish, and the best part? It's totally customizable with your favorite colors and embellishments. Whether you're crafting for a Halloween party, decorating your porch, or just love a good Dollar Tree DIY, this broom is a wickedly cute way to add some handmade charm to your spooky season decor. Gather these supplies: clean toilet plunger, rubber suction base, 3-inch wide black ribbon, enough to wrap the full handle, additional ribbon colors like purple or orange for layered design, decorative mesh rope, multiple colors if desired, scissors, hot glue gun and glue sticks, large decorative flower like a faux black rose, plastic spider or Halloween embellishment. Let's make it. Cover the handle with ribbon. Start at the top of the plunger handle. Use hot glue to secure the 3-inch black ribbon and wrap it tightly down the entire handle. Glue as you go to keep it secure and smooth. Add accent ribbon, optional candy cane effect. Take your second color of ribbon, such as purple, and wrap it around the handle in a spiral, leaving space in between so the black ribbon shows through. Secure the ends with hot glue. If you'd like, repeat this step with a third color to create a layered, striped look. Prepare the mesh rope strips. Cut 8-inch pieces of mesh rope. You can use a single color or mix multiple colors for a fun, whimsical effect. Create ribbon strips with mesh bristles. Cut a 5-inch piece of your 3-inch wide ribbon. Fold each mesh rope piece in half and glue the folded end to the ribbon strip. Continue gluing folded mesh pieces along the entire length of the ribbon, side by side until it's full. Repeat this process 3 more times using different mesh colors if you'd like. Attach the bristle layers to the plunger base. Start with your first mesh-covered ribbon strip and glue it around the suction base of the plunger. Wrap it all the way around and secure with hot glue. Repeat with your other 3 mesh-covered ribbon strips, layering them as you go to give the broom fullness and color. Add final decorations. Hot glue a large black flower where the handle meets the bristles for a dramatic touch. Add a small plastic spider or other Halloween embellishment to the top of the handle or near the flower. Some display ideas are to use it as a Halloween porch decoration, or lean it in a corner by your fireplace. You could also pair it with a witch hat or cauldron for a festive scene. And that's it, your one-of-a-kind witch's broom is ready to fly, or at least to look fabulous in your Halloween display. I love how easy it is to make this your own with different ribbon and mesh colors, and it's such a fun way to turn everyday items into something magical. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you like this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.